Bahagyang nagkaroon po ng tensyon sa pagitan ni on-leave Supreme Court Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno at Associate Justice Teresita De Castro sa pagsisimula po ng oral arguments sa quo warranto petition na inihain po ng Solicitor General laban kay Sereno. Si Kenneth Pasyente sa sentro ng balita.
Bago ang oral arguments ay nagdesisyon ng Korte Suprema na ibasura ang mosyon ni on-leave Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno na ma-inhibit ang 5 mahistrado sa pagdinig.
All the motions for inhibition were denied for lack of merit. The individual justices to whom the motions were addressed will explain their decisions together with the resolution of this case.
Nang magsimula ay nagkatensyon sa pagdinig ng magkaharap sina De Castro at Sereno. Tinanong ni De Castro kung nag-file ba si Sereno ng Statement of Assets, Liabilities and Net Worth nito noong nag-a-apply ito sa pagkapunong mahistrado.
I would like to ask you about the submission of your SALN. Did you religiously comply with the submission of the SALN as mandated by law?
Before I answer that question, can I have your assurance that should a quo warranto petition be filed against any of you on the ground that one or more of your SALNs are not on record, that you would also, under oath, declare before this court, answer all questions regarding your SALNs. For example, Justice De Castro, who should have filed 39 SALNs, but filed only 15 with the JBC.
Will you please answer the question? You are being asked a question.
Yes.
You are placed under oath.
Yes, that's true.
You are not supposed to...
Well, that is your expectation,
that
Justice De Castro, but this is important because this is a due process and equal protection issue I'm raising now.
Nagkasagutan rin sila tungkol sa motion for inhibition na inihain ni Sereno laban sa umano'y bias na 5 mahistrado kung saan kabilang si De Castro.
I forgot to say something. There's something in your motion for inhibition which I would like. There are allegations and grounds stated which I vehemently deny, and I will put that in a resolution that I will later on submit to the court. Especially the conversation that you mentioned, it never happened. I'd like to tell that under my honor,
also,
in
Justice
my
De Castro.
Excuse me, I'm not yet done. In my honor, I am saying that the conversation that you mentioned in your motion for inhibition never happened, and I am going to prove that.
Kampante naman si Solicitor General sa naging takbo ng oral arguments. Umalma din ito sa naging pahayag ni Sereno na hindi nasusukat ang integridad sa kapiraso ng papel.
That's baloney. Because if you don't have integrity, how can you be a good judge? Diba? Your SALN is one of the tests of integrity. Meaning to say, if you are not hiding anything, you produce your SALN so that there will be a basis for the government to find out whether you unjustly enrich yourself.
Matapos naman ang oral arguments, nagtungo sa kanyang mga taga-suporta ang punong mahistrado.
Tuloy ang laban, hindi aatras, kahit anong larangan, walang aatras. Salamat po!
Sa huli, binigyan ng 10 araw ng kataas-taasang hukuman ng kampo ni Sereno at Calida para ibigay ang mga kaukulang dokumento na hinihingi ng mga mahistrado. Mula Baguio City, Kenneth Pasyente para sa Bayan.